has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central St. Tammany Parish in southeastern Louisiana, western Harrison County in southern Mississippi, Hancock County in southern Mississippi, southwestern Pearl River County in southern Mississippi, until 1:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:06 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Lacombe, or 9 miles northwest of Slidell, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Slidell, Picayune, Bay St. Louis, Waveland, Diamondhead, Pearl River, Abita Springs, Kiln, Burlington, Lacombe, Shoreline Park, Stennis Space Center, Bush and Slidell Airport. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 10 in Louisiana between mile markers 259 and 273. Interstate 10 in Mississippi between mile markers 1 and 24. Interstate 12 between mile markers 66 and 84. Interstate 59 in Louisiana between mile markers 1 and 11. Interstate 59 in Mississippi between mile markers 1 and 12. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parish: St. Tammany, Louisiana, and the following counties in Mississippi: Hancock, Harrison, and Pearl River. Flood watch remains in effect through Sunday.